Maybe you are also trying to create subdomain using cPanel. Maybe you are also trying various type of the subdomains as per your requirements. If you are also trying to create subdomain, then this is the right video for you. After watching this entire video, you will be also able to create subdomain using cPanel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. If you are trying to create subdomain using cPanel, then you need three things. The first thing is hosting, second thing is domain, and the third thing is Cloudflare. After managing all those three things, only you will be able to create subdomain using your cPanel. So let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how to create subdomain using cPanel. It is too much easy to create subdomain. Okay guys, so first of all you have to come inside your cPanel to create subdomain. Then after that, just you have to go in the domain section, or you can directly search from here also. So I am just searching domain. Then after that, so now we can see here it is giving me few options to create subdomain. So I am just clicking here in the create a new domain. Then after that, so now we can see it is telling me that enter the domain that you would like to create. So first of all, I have to give the subdomain name. For example, I am just giving technology and my main domain name, that is drushyadipsali.com, and it is giving me the path name where my all the files will be stored. So this is the location, okay, so where my file will be stored. After that, just you have to click in the submit. Okay, so guys, now you can see here it is telling me that you have successfully created a new subdomain, right? So if I come in this site, okay, and if I load this one, so I am just typing here technology.drushyadipsali.com. If I load this one, so now we can see it is telling me that this site can be reached. So to fix this one, just you have to go in the Cloudflare. If you don't know how to use Cloudflare, you can search various type of the tutorial available in the YouTube, and you can edit and you can submit your website inside Cloudflare. Then after that, just you have to go in the DNS section, okay, then just you have to click in the add record. Okay, so I'm just copying this this IP address, or directly you have to go in the your cPanel here. And then after that, now you can see you will get your hosting IP address here. Then just copy this one. After that, just you have to come in the Cloudflare and just click in the add record, and you have to give the name. So that was the technology. Okay, then just you have to give the IPv4 address. So I'm pasting my address here. Then after that, just you have to click in the save. So now you can see it is saving the address. So now we can see if I reload this one, so it is telling the 404 not found. So I want to fix this problem because I don't have any files inside my hosting, right? So for that one, just we have to go inside your cPanel and just click in the file manager. After clicking in the file manager, just you have to go in the public_html folder. So now we can see here is the directory, that is technology.drushyadipsali.com, and I am just clicking here. And after that, just you have to click you have to upload your file, or I can easily create a new file here. So I am creating a new file, that is index.html, yeah, like that. Then just click in the create new file, and I am just clicking here and clicking in the edit, and click again in the edit. Then after that, I'm creating a HTML file here, and just click in the save changes and click in the OK. So now we can see it is telling me that success. So if I reload my website here, okay, so still it is not working. So I think it will take a little bit long time. Okay, so I think here is a cache problem is happening here, so that's why I'm just right clicking here and I'm clicking in the inspect. After that, I'm just going in the network, and I'm just selecting the disable cache and just reloading this one. Okay guys, so now you can see here my website is completely working. So in this way you can also easily create subdomain using cPanel.
So guys, in this video we discuss about the subdomain creation using cPanel, hoping that now you will be also able to create subdomain for your website. And if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. And don't forget to give a like for my motivation to create another new video. Okay, so if you want to create custom email or business email for your website, then you have to watch this video.